I don't think anybody will say my story the way I experienced it.
Èyí tó bá gbọ́ àlọ́ ó di dandan kó gbọ́ àbọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ awuyewuye èyí tó ti fa ariwo láàrin gbajúgbajà òṣèré obìnrin Toyin Abraham àti Abike Shugaa. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà ló ti padà wá já sí ibi tí Abike Shugaa ti jáde wá láti wá ṣe àlàyé bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ gangan. Ó yànnàná gbogbo ibi tí kò yí àwọn ènìyàn, ó tàn ìmọ́lẹ̀ síbi tí ó ṣókùnkùn sí àwọn ènìyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé wípé Toyin Abraham ni ó ti kọ́kọ́ fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan léde láti gbéná wojú arábìnrin yìí, ṣùgbọ́n lásìkò yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká rólé apá kan dápá kan sí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí Abike Shugaa sọ, ohun tí ó mọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí gangan. Ó yá o, ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti gbọ́ mọ́ta.
Added unnecessary things. It is just very sincere and plain exactly how it happened. But before I go further, the reason why I'm doing this video is because, of course, the truth has to be told. And also, I don't think anybody will say my story the way I experienced it. And for my followers that have been trying to speak out for me, for other people that have been trying to speak out for me, as much as they are trying to fight for me and speak out for me, they also don't have an idea what's truly transpired. And that's why I'm going to be saying this. For other people that are in my circle that also have no idea, or people that have already heard, misconceptions about me, this is just to clear the air. Odudua. Clear the air. It is not to exonerate myself or anything. It is just to tell it the way it is. I'd like to make a public apology to my family. I feel like they've gone through the most during this time, and since it happened, they've gone through the most. They've gotten backlash from people that are not worth it. They've gotten backlash from young people that on a normal day would not talk to them or trample upon them the way they did. They've heard curse words. They've heard curse. So my mom, I've seen people curse a child. She has cried over it. She has prayed over it. My grandma, all the way from where she is, she has seen people make videos cursing her grandchild. My grandpa, the love of my life, I'm sorry that I am putting you guys in this position. I don't want to cry, I want to be stronger, okay? But I just want to tender a public apology to my family, because it is not my intention to make you guys go through these things. And I'm truly sorry. Mommy, I'm sorry. Grandma, I'm sorry. Grandpa, I'm sorry that, people are talking to you guys the way they're doing. And also to my friends and my loved ones, I'm sure you've seen comments on your posts about how bad of a person I am. Yadi, 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 yadi. I'm sorry if it has affected you in